Lagi na pong Honda na nito, no? Dapat po ang set up na.
Lagi operito.
Kung hindi natin siya mapuntayan, kasi napuno na ang pod.
Puro na ito.
So, March 12, 2025 is the schedule of our testing the fire pump. So, testing the fire pump. So, with the supplier, Engineer Oros, with Sir Marvin, and Engineer Dino, PM, and yours truly, Engineer Lara.
Pasok sir. Inform the traffic sir. Yes sir, yes sir. Tapos ng 21 may dalkas pa, may...
So, our supply, electrical supply is already ready.
Wala na daw siya.
Ha?
Pag once na functional na siya, wala na palang.
Tuloy-tuloy na na.
Wala, ako kita! Kagaling na siya eh.
Ano yung disadvantage sa atin? Ito ang big
Diyan dilagay ang pump, guys. Vertical, cylindrical pump. To supply the Phase 1 building 5 stories. To supply drinking water from Davao Light. So this one is another submersible pump, and that one. So Phase 1, this one Phase 2, this one Phase 3. So thank you guys. Have a blessed day.